Delavan-Darien High School offers fantastic opportunities. We're always pushing the envelope on new opportunities, creating new opportunities, and then the sky's the limit. With the kids' excitement, enthusiasm, we'll continue to do big projects like this.
I think this kind of teaches you like the real world part of it, and not just kind of learning in a classroom about what to do. I think it's important for students because it gives them the chance to go out and learn in the real world and see if they really enjoy doing what they want to do.
I think this will give me a good amount of experience, especially with the work we're going to be doing, because I haven't done work like this really, and it's a field I want to get involved in.
I've learned that teamwork is mainly, important. If you don't have a great team, you're not going to get stuff done. I'm getting more education in it. It's getting me time out of school, just to help out.
Construction class not only teaches me life skills such as like how to use a hammer and a nail and stuff like that, but it also teaches me durable skills. I've also become more intelligent in different fields. Duval encouraged me to stay and was like, you're gonna get something out of this class, and I really did. I ended up loving this.
I've gotten to learn new things. Not too long ago we were building decks for Yerkes, and a good experience because we got to use different tools. We all worked equally, we all problem solved.
Some things that I learned is always make sure you clean up your mess so you're not stepping over anything, and just always try to be helpful while you're taking stuff apart. Being part of this project, to me, I think it's a cool opportunity because I'm not at school, I'm learning on the job.
I feel like that kind of helped me decide what I want to do. I decided what I liked and I don't like. Teamwork's a huge thing. I met a lot of new people during construction club. In Yerkes, we had to lift up roofs and lift up walls, and you gotta really communicate because you can't see what other people are doing.